What's up, YouTube? It's Jordan Martin with Martin Stock Club, Martin Investment Group. This is going to be about 4 or 5 stocks, actually, I'm looking at for tomorrow. And of course, as always, we trade these live every single day in the Discord. Links in the description. And if this video is helpful to you in any way, please like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend. Do something so I can keep on making these videos for y'all. So let's get to it. We're going to start with coin, flip it over to the daily chart. We're going to start with looking at some inside patterns. There's a lot of inside days today. So a lot of that consolidation after we had this big bounce in the market on the 4th, consolidation, and then we still have the gaps to fill below on a lot of these stocks. So for coin, I'm gonna move my alert up right below the outside day. All right, so this low was 69.08. I got the alert set at 69.01. I'm gonna be targeting the gap fill below if we can break out this inside day. Of course, you're gonna might be able to get a little support bounce around these wicks, but ultimately looking for the gap fill down to 65.95. All right, so about a $3 move or $2 move. What's that, three? See, I trade candlesticks. My math sometimes be off. Let's keep it rolling. We ain't gonna worry about it. Let's go to Expedia. All right, Expedia, inside day, same deal, right? Inside day, looking for a break of the low of the outside bar, which was 97.05. So I'm gonna set an alert 96.95, just so I'm not getting caught up with any orders at 97 that might cause it to bounce off that even level. And then we do have this gap below at 94.40 as another target. And then let's look at Twillo. All right, same deal, same deal. Inside bar, looking for the break below. And this one, because we have room, I'll actually trade the range of this inside bar. So instead of waiting just on the breakout to the downside, what I'll do is I'll wait for a break of 74, 74.05. And then after that, I'll look to come down and test the low of this candle, which is 72.22. So I'll set an alert, 72. All right. So from 74.05 to 72.30 will be a good move on a day trade. And then, and then of course, if we're moving down, we have the gap below to fill as well. All right, you can trade this to the upside too. I'm probably not really going to look at this to the upside, but I will pop back around on it intraday. Just probably won't be setting an alert for it because I really would rather prefer the move down than up. But we do know it's possible, so I will be looking at it both ways. The last one I wanted to look at was Cat. Caterpillar didn't have an inside day technically, but the concept pretty much is still there, right? So it missed the inside day by 7 cents. There's that mental math kicking in, right? 7 cents missed, but I'm still going to trade it in a very similar way. And then you see it's triple topping here, which might be a little hard to really see on the daily. You take it down to the 1 hour, that triple top becomes a lot more clear as we see these rejections right here, right? Rejection, rejection, reject, reject. All right. So we're not rejecting hard here, but I am still looking at the possibility of another rejection to follow with a big drop. And then we have levels that we could take out on the way down. All right. So of course that'll ultimately lead us to filling our gap. All right, so that's what I'm looking at for tomorrow. Caterpillar, just like Twilio, I'm gonna look at going ahead and putting an alert below the low of this candle to trade it back to retest the low of this candle, essentially trading the range, although it's not technically an inside bar. This low is 176.69, 176, and just said 65. That a trigger. Look at going ahead, grabbing my puts, taking it for the drop down here. You also see this was a previous resistance. So likely to feel resistance that flipped to support. And that's what I'm looking at. Right. So if you have any questions, you can put them in the chat or the comments as well. Or in the Discord chat, and I'll be happy to assist and to help. Hope you have a great trading day tomorrow, which is October the 6th, 2022.